Well, hello there and happy Easter from the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I have your astrological / spiritual forecast going for the next week, going from today, April the 9th, through Saturday, April the 15th. And I am so excited. This is one of my favorite topics, the resurrection. Let's just talk about the resurrection, the story, the symbolism, and what it means to us. Because it is such a fortuitous week for our weary souls. And today is a great launch pad. So I want to talk about symbolism first. Because as we know, there are all different religions that align with the different cultures and beliefs. But at the bottom of each religion is the truth. If you can get to the core of each religion shows us the truth. And the truth is that the universe is made up and connected and held together by a substance that we call love. This is not necessarily romantic love at all, folks. This is the glue that holds our universe together. It's attraction. So let's think about that. Love is at the basis of all of our religions. And our work is to connect to that universal love. So let's get back to the story of the resurrection, where Jesus Christ rises from the dead. The symbolism, the spring equinox, new beginnings, resurrection, rebirth, renewal. This is the cycle that we are in right now. We have a chance to do a complete redo, to start over, to change our story, go in a new direction, and most likely a new direction, one that we're not familiar with. And we have the symbolism of Jesus Christ overcoming physical obstruction, physical death, to be reborn and renewed into his immortal soul, which is another lesson of the resurrection. It's about our spirituality. The resurrection tells us that once the body is gone and has done its work for this lifetime, this conscious soul continues. This is the lesson of the resurrection. It is to come from love, abundance, and gratitude. The teachings in the Christian story of Jesus Christ. It's the symbolism that you can begin again. It's a new cycle, a new beginning. And we have all the tools we need within ourselves to start over, to make adjustments, to realign, and to go for what truly brings us happiness and fulfillment. That's, and that is the bottom line to this lifetime, is to find happiness and fulfillment. And how we find it is coming to total peace within ourselves. That's our Libra energy. And to be in this world, but not of this world. That's our detachment. That's being able to see that all of this out there they're just props for us to learn and grow. It's all about coming back to the self, finding the divinity in ourselves, finding our connection to all that is, to the love. We are part of this love that's holding our universe together. We are part of that. And to begin again, to renew, rebirth, and nothing less sometimes to just resurrect ourselves. And that is the whole energy for the week ahead, you guys. The whole week is a parting of the seas for us, for our true selves, and for our work. We are going to be able to really attune to what that is for us this week. We are actually going to be able to make practical steps to step into who we truly are, to step into our true work. It's also a week where we can work with others. It's a week of optimism, of confidence, self-confidence. It's a week where we're getting along together and working with each other, trying to, in the middle of the week especially, there may be a sticky problem that we have not been able to find a solution to, whether this is in our family or our partnership or our workplace. But we come up with a new and different idea, Aquarius, because this week is all about that Aquarian energy, stepping out of that box to solve the problem. And together, working with the other, we're able to make it work. And it's got a practical application. That is what we're looking forward to this week. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely an amazing week. If we choose to stay connected, to stay centered and grounded, and use our emotions as indicators, as communications, and not allow ourselves to fall into unresolved traumas and relationships and things like that, because that is going to hold us back from being able to grab on to that new idea that it's Aquarius. It's different. So whatever direction, however we're redoing, rebirthing, it's going to be a step back to who we truly are this week. It's pretty amazing. Watch the energies. Feel the energy as it moves us this week. Remember that we are all connected. And now I have to go along with the whole week. I just saw the most incredible movie, Everything Everywhere All at Once. Now this movie to me symbolizes the leaving of the Piscean age into the Aquarian age. First of all, it's, quote, science fiction, definitely Aquarius, but I'm not sure how fictional this movie actually is. You have to be open. You have to be open to it. You have to pay attention. There are some very powerful Aquarian messages in this movie. So I challenge you. I know most people don't get it. Most people don't. They think it's a stupid movie. You have to be at a certain place in your evolution to really appreciate the incredible work done in this movie. So I suggest you go check that out. I had to wait because I'm cheap. I didn't go. It got out of the theaters before I even got a chance to see it. And so I waited around long enough, and you can now find it streaming on one of our cable channels. So try that out. Let me know what you think. It blew my mind. I have to be honest. It blew my mind. It made me smile real big. Okay, so that's my push for that movie. Goes along with our expression of our true self, and maybe how the universe is set up and how it's all connected. Very interesting stuff. Now, at the end of this week, I never want to forget about the end of the week because it's my favorite, and that is date night. And the moon's going to be in Aquarius on Saturday on the 15th, but it is sextiling Jupiter and the Sun in Aries. Woo, baby! It's a great day to hang out and try something new, something out of the box. We've got the moon in Aquarius. Something unexpected might pop up on Saturday that makes us smile real big. But with the sextile with Aries, we feel good and confident and optimistic. And we feel like we can express our true feelings. I forgot something really important. I went all the way through the week and I forgot that Venus, which was part of my talk, is going into Gemini on Monday. And this goes along with my talk with Venus going into Gemini on Monday. It's all about the connection. Venus, our balance, our relationship with the other, how we find our inner peace. It's all about the connection. It's in Gemini. We're going to be able to express ourselves to the other. We are, and especially, that's why now I'll come back to Saturday, and we are going to be able to express ourselves, our passion, and we'll be able to make plans together. Things are just really working well and fitting in as long as we can stay out of our unworthiness and our fear and our lack. This weekend is going to be so joyful. There's nothing, just joyful. Being able to express our true feelings with the other, having them understand it, and just really making progress of getting in touch with who we are in our work, and it makes us feel good because when we're aligned, we are happy, we are at peace, and that's the whole charge of the week, is to find Venus going into Gemini on Monday, find our indestructible peace, be confident, step out of that box with confidence. And not only do we step out of the box with confidence, but we are able to solve old problems. And so with new solutions. So have a great week. Happy Easter. Enjoy this time with family and friends. Make sure you spread the love, abundance, and gratitude. Just spread it all around, just like Easter eggs. And let's get started for the week ahead the way we always do, by becoming balanced, aligned, and centered, by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. And then we'll say our Sun in Aries affirmation. So let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from this physical etheric body. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral body. One more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the negativity, all the toxicity. It's all flowing away, going back to wherever it came from. And while we're in this space of white light, we are going to say our Sun in Aries affirmation. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. We'll say the affirmation and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say the Sun in Aries affirmation. I am worthy. I am loved. I am abundant. I attract love and abundance into my life. Good. And I'm thinking about the affirmation and how it's gonna come to fruition this week. I am loved. I am worthy. I am abundant. Remember that this week. And then, guys, let's go out and live, create our best lives. This is our big chance this week. I am so excited. I am so excited for the week ahead. We have so much work to do a lot of the times. It's nice, like I said in the beginning of the video, our weary souls get a break and we get to experience the fruits of our labor. So enjoy. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do some daily inspirational messages, and I have some interesting memes that in their own quirky way helps get us back into alignment. And if you like what you hear on the Soul Sister channel, please share it with others. We really need to get the word out that we are responsible for our own reality. It's not out there. They're not doing it to us. They're not holding us down. We hold ourselves down with our unworthiness and fear. So we have to get the word out that it's not out there, everyone, because as we say, as the keynote of the Soul Sister channel goes, life is lived from the inside out. Happy Easter, happy rebirth, happy realignment, happy renewal. Have a wonderful, wonderful week ahead. Namaste.